Greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about stock charts, which is the base of tools of technical analysis. Stock charts gained popularity due to the writings of Charles H. Dow in the Wall Street Journal. Later, these writings were known as Dow theory. Dow theory assumes that market moves in the form of measurable trends, and it can be seen on charts. We can make use of these charts to interpret and predict the price movements. Okay, so a stock chart is a simple two-axis plotted graph of price and time. Each individual equity market and index listed on a stock exchange has a chart and that illustrates its price movements over time. Okay, so there are different types of charts used for technical analysis, and the first one is line chart. In the case of a line chart, a single line is representing securities closing price of each day. And from this figure, you can understand that here we are representing price in the y-axis, and in the x-axis we have displayed time period. And we have plotted closing periods of each day, and by combining these closing periods we will get a line. That's why this chart is known as line chart. And by looking at this line, we can understand the tendency of the price. Here the price is increasing, price has an increasing tendency, and this tendency is known as bullish tendency. And from here price is decreased a little bit, and again price increased. Okay, and the second type of chart is bar chart. Usually 4 elements of price like opening price, closing price, high price and low price can be determined or identified by using bar chart. In the case of line chart, we can only predict the closing price or understand the changes in the closing price. Okay, and here in this chart, the top of the bar represents the higher price and the bottom of the bar represents the lowest price, and a dash to the left side indicates the opening price and a dash to the right side indicates the closing price. Here in this chart, opening price is low and closing price is high, so there is an increasing tendency of price and it is known as bullish tendency. Okay, and here in this chart, the dash to the left side is here and dash to the right side is here. So the opening price is high and closing price is low. So there is a decreasing tendency in the price and it is known as bearish tendency. Okay, and the advantage of using a bar chart over a line chart is it shows opening price, closing price, high price and low price of a particular day, and line chart indicates only the closing prices. Okay, and from this chart, here we are using a number of bar charts for representing a time period's price tendency. Here the price decreased, again increased. There is a zigzag movement, a stagnant movement in price that we can understood in a single glance by looking at this chart. Okay, and the next chart is candlestick chart. Candlestick charts are the oldest type of charts used for price prediction. They date back to the 1700s, and the Japanese traders were used candlestick charts for predicting the rice prices. Okay, and candlestick charts are much more visually appealing than a standard two-dimensional bar chart, but both of this giving an idea to identify the closing price, opening price, daily high price and low price. Okay, and candlestick chart have a number of parts. The body is known as real body, and the wicks of the candle is known as upper shadow or wicks, and this part is known as tail or lower shadow. Okay, and the bottom of the lower shadow is the lowest price and the top of the upper shadow is the high price. Okay, and the opening price and closing price can be understood by using the color of the real body. The real body's color may be black and white, black or white, or green or red. Okay, if the real body's color is green, the opening price is the lowest part of the real body and closing price is the upper part of the real body. So here the opening price is low and closing price is high. So there is an increasing tendency and it indicates a bullish tendency. And if the real body's color is red, the upper part of the rail body indicates the opening price and the lower part of the rail body indicates the closing price. So here the opening price is high and closing price is low. So it indicates a bearish tendency or decreasing tendency of price. Okay, and if we are using black or white to indicate the color, here if the real body's color is black, opening price will be the top part of the real body and the closing price will be the bottom part of the real body. Okay, so here opening price is high and closing price is low. So there is a decreasing tendency, bearish tendency. And if the color of the real body is white, bottom part of the real body indicates the opening price and top part of the real body indicates the close price. So here the opening price is low and closing price is high. So there is an increasing tendency in price, bullish tendency. Okay, so these are the methods. How can we identify the different prices like opening price, closing price, high price and low price of a day by using candlestick chart. Okay, and we are using this type of chart throughout this module for displaying various trends, patterns and indicators, but mainly we are using bar chart in this chapter. And in the case of candlestick charts, we are using candlestick chart for understanding the price trends over a period. So looking at this graph, you can understand that there is an overall increasing tendency in the price, then price decreased, again price increased, and we can identify each day's price variations by looking at this color of the real body as well as the length of the shadows, upper shadows and lower shadows. Okay, so let's meet in the next class with other tools of technical analysis. Thank you.